What is up, guys? Dr. Drew here, back in the channel, Hawkeye Chiropractic in Arlington Heights. Today I'm with one of our greatest patients, Chris. You guys might have seen Sebastian in the other video. That's his son. Chris is obviously from South Africa. I love his accent. Cool little fact about Chris. Anyways, Chris is awesome, man. He's been a great patient, super coachable. Chris came in after his sons, Oliver and Sebastian, came in. One of the things with Chris is that he travels a lot. So he's under a tremendous amount of stress with work. If I'm not mistaken, you're managing 40, 50 people on your team. So a lot of team members that he's got to manage, whether emailing, on the phone, texting, things like that. So high stress environment does a lot of good for the world, as well as his family. But over time, that traveling 2 to 3 weeks at a time, consistently on an airplane, in a new bed, just going from here to here, the cold to the warm, consistently, and then trying to be a dad of 3. It's difficult. So you guys know it better than anybody as well. So I'll let Chris kind of just explain to you a little bit about who he is, some of the stress or some of the traumas that he came in with that we've been able to help him with, where he's at now, things that he likes about the office.
Yeah, thanks, Drew. I really appreciate it. Yeah, about a year ago, how could I characterize myself? In a lot of trouble. It's probably the way to do it. I knew from some previous chiro work that I suffered from some scoliosis, but over time, with both work commitments and the fact of slowing down in life, spending more time behind a desk in an airplane seat, traveling, it really took its toll, and I was in a bad way. So I got about 4 months intensive therapy here, twice a week. And soon enough I started to feel normal again and started to perform a lot better. So today it's more now maintenance. Prevention's better than cure.
Yep.
I highly recommend it if for someone like myself, it's keeping me out of trouble, and very appreciative for the work being done on me.
Yeah. We always preach that too, guys. We always want to be preventative if we can. Last thing we want to do is be under the gun in a stressful situation where we have to make a stressful decision. Anytime we can do what they call prehab or preventative, rehab or preventive maintenance is what's going to essentially just make this problem eliminated or prevent it from even happening. So once we get our patients structurally where they need to be and out of pain, we always make sure that they follow up with recommendations that we do, not only here, but again, outside of here, so they can accommodate their busy lifestyle, such as traveling and things like that. All right, so we're going to go through Chris's workup here. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps us out with these videos, helps other people see these videos as well. Maybe somebody like Chris that needs our help too. So again, thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you guys in a little bit after we get Chris adjusted. All right, so we're going to warm you up here, Chris. This muscle massage gun. How was your flight in today?
It was long. Left Anchorage at 1 a.m. and had to connect to Portland.
So Chris was in Anchorage this morning, left at 1 a.m., had a connecting flight in Portland, and then landed this afternoon. That is a long day, guys, of being on an airplane in the airport. Exhausting. So no wonder why he's hurting today. Chris is quite a good fly fisher too, guys. Good fly fisher. His boys always like to beat up on him, but I think he's the best out of those 3. Good. Let's get this mid back. Deep breath in, Chris. Good, all the way out. Good, deep breath in, all the way out. Beautiful, my friend. Whew. Good, relax your shoulder. Good. Nice. Let that sit. All right, we're gonna get this hip adjusted, so I'm gonna have you lay on your right side, Chris. Got a lot of jet lag today, huh?
Oh yeah.
Good. Other side. Did you have dinner?
Started it.
Yeah?
I realised I needed to get in the car and get down there.
Good. Come on up, my friend. Awesome. Guys, I want to thank Chris for doing this video. Guys, opening up. Takes a lot of chutzpah, as they say, to get on camera and tell you a little bit about himself. So any of you guys suffering from anything, you feel like it's not curable, not fixable, been there, done that, seen everything. So we're here to help, small family practice. If there's anything we could help you with, not just chiropractic, just let us know. We're here to help. So Chris, thanks for trusting us with your help.
Thank you.
And I appreciate it.
You're welcome.